Hello and welcome to how to make the ultimate scrambled tofu dish. This meal is a great source of protein and vitamins and it just tastes incredible, to be honest. So let's do this. Okay, so the ingredients you're going to need for this dish are tofu, broccoli, onion, bell pepper, lemon, courgette, garlic, tomato, non-dairy milk and vegan cheese, and these spices. Okay, to begin, place a pan on medium heat, add some oil. This is optional, but I find that it just works better with oil. To the pan, add onion and garlic and cook for 2 minutes until it becomes translucent. Next, add broccoli and cook for a further 2 minutes. Then add the courgette and pepper and cook for another 2 minutes. Next, you're going to add the tomato and cook for 1 more minute. Next, we're going to add the tofu and cook for a further 2 minutes so that the tofu can begin to take in all the flavours of the vegetables. Next, we're going to add the seasoning. So what I use is paprika, marjoram, garam masala, pepper and garlic salt. That last one is optional, you can use regular salt if you prefer. So I'm going to add the seasoning in now and give it a good stir, get that tofu soaking up those seasonings and just leave to cook for another minute. Next, I'm going to add the lemon juice. This is a great addition, it just helps to elevate the flavours even more. If you don't have lemon, you can omit it. Next, we're going to add the non-dairy milk. I add 3 cups full. You can use more or less depending on how creamy you want the tofu to be. And finally, I'm adding the vegan cheese. Make sure you get one that melts, and I'm just going to stir and cook that for 2 minutes until it all melts in and becomes one lovely, delicious ball of goodness. And that's how you make scrambled tofu. This dish is good for you and it also tastes incredible. I hope you've enjoyed watching this and I hope you have fun making this for yourself.